Welcome to episode 3 of AH's Digital Fluency series. As associations and nonprofits continue to expand their digital marketing capabilities, so does the sophistication of their reporting and data analysis needs. Often, more time is spent manually pulling reports and trying to analyze that information than providing actual insights about the direction and performance of your marketing. There has to be a better way, right? Enter Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a free data visualization tool. It connects to almost any data source out there. Think of Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, even CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce. It's a real-time data integration tool that is easy to understand. So it saves you time and effort every month pulling reports. In other words, you get to focus on actionable insights. Are you ready to check it out? Great. Let's take a tour now. Let's start by navigating the reports pages. In Data Studio, you can show different aspects of your organization's marketing efforts on separate pages using the page navigation bar. This allows you to quickly jump to the right spot in your reports, bringing all your insights together in one seamless dashboard. Next, let's learn how to interact with the reports, charts, and tables. In View mode, you can mouse over the charts to show data points in more detail. You can also sort tables by clicking on the column headers or scrolling through the data charts to create more meaningful, interactive visualizations in real time. Data Studio also allows you to refine your reports with just a few clicks using date ranges and filter properties. So let's change the time frame using the date range control from 30 days to this quarter to date. Data Studio also lets you share reports and data sources the same way you would share your Google Drive docs, spreadsheets, and slides. Using this share button on the top right, you can invite people to collaborate, schedule email delivery to send your report to stakeholders on a regular basis, save a snapshot of your report by downloading it as a PDF, or you could generate a short URL to use in web pages and emails. Google Data Studio helps us work smarter, not harder. I hope this introduction to this amazing new tool has helped you to visualize what's possible for your organization's marketing and data reporting. For a more in-depth understanding of Google Data Studio, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. And stay tuned for another episode of AH's Digital Fluency series coming your way. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more ins and outs of the association and nonprofit management world. I'm out.